I am back, guys. It has been nearly 3 to 4 weeks. Got a bit of explaining to do and I've got to do it quickly because I'm kind of in a rush. But I'm back in Perth. As you can see, I'm in my other house. So I'm all done with my work in Albany and I'm back in Perth. I've been up here for, I think, just over a week or something. I'm actually about to start a new job somewhere else in Perth, which is awesome news. And I have a lot of parts to show you guys. This is very brand new. If you follow my Instagram right here, you'll see that I copped some coilovers. Me and Simon are gonna try and install these today. So I gotta hurry because it's gonna be very hot today, around 43 degrees. We've also got a catless downpipe that I picked up and the bolts and stuff for that. I've got my boost gauge and my coolant gauge. Got the holders, the vent holder for the gauges and my cold air intake. So yeah, that's all the mods we have right now. I still need some other things like an EBCS, but I'm planning to get the car. That's my alarm. I'm planning to get the car tuned when it's cooler because right now it's summer and it's probably not the safest idea. Oh, also yesterday I just got my guards rolled as well. So either side on the rears, guards are rolled. So the coils are ready to go in. These motherfuckers are heavy. Get in there. Oh. Coils are secured. I had to stop at Bunnings because we need a tape measure to measure the height and I had like none laying around, so $2, what a steal. All right, I'm coming, Simon. Okay guys, we are on the way. Shout out to Simon for this because it's 8 AM on a Sunday and we're gonna like smash this out. Wish us luck. Nothing can go wrong. Right. If you guys have been watching the videos, or you're the boys, you know exactly where we are. We're at our local mod installation location, otherwise known as a primary school. Whoo! Hey man. Oh, I'm excited. She is up on the ramps. Simon's just gonna go grab the jack stands. Also, Simon has Tomei again, if you can't tell. So for anyone wondering, I did get BC Racing BR coilovers. I heard they're just a very good all-around coilover brand, and for the price they were, I just heard a lot of good things about them. They look fresh and mint. Oh. Ouch, she's on my knee. First wheel's off. Go on. Big boy. Let's go. Alright, that first one's out. Simon just speed run that one. Got it. This one. Who needs instructions for that? Not monkey mechanics, that's right. Oh, that is sick. Okay, I've already got the fronts off, thanks to Simon. And I'm about to chuck these new ones in. Going fairly quick. A bit more. Try and help you put it in.
That's what she said.
There we go.
Can you just guide the twist?
Yeah. Alright. Yep. There you go.
Slowly pump that up.
Lower it. Just that way. Yeah. Okay.
I swear I never usually have this amount of trouble getting it in.
That's what she said.
Sheesh. Channel hasn't seen the red car in a while. Big red car. And yet, he's back on top, mate. Alright, fronts are done. I'm just going to lower it, see how it looks, and then I'm going to do the rears. It's going to obviously look lower, Simon said, because these are stock and that's coilovers.
Slow for suspense.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, after all this time. It's actually going to be low. Holy shit.
I think that's where you want it.
Dude, that looks perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell. Dude. That looks sick. Fuck, man. Sheesh. Starting on the rear, the fronts are all done. And right now it looks lower because it's jacked up. That's crazy. Just about on the floor.
Got it.
Good thing we're changing them, because yesterday when my guards got rolled, found out these stock ones have been leaking. So, perfect timing. Yep, oh, easy mate, easy. Oh. Am I fucking stupid? Oh, I need my right hand. Oh no. Where did that just go? No.
It's in, isn't it?
Oh, I just fucking rolled down here. Which way? Down there. Fuck, I'm a monkey. That nut is gone, and we reused one of the old ones because I'm a butterfingers, and it's now with the car forever. Yeah, slowly. Stop there. A little bit. More. Stop. Stop there. Up a bit more. Nice. We are done. Just gonna chuck the wheels on and see how she sits. The fronts are pretty much perfect, it's just we're going to lower the rears a bit more. A little bit high. Want it to be a bit lower. Just about finished. This one's all done, it's just that last side. Hopefully it's going to look good. Alright, stands up. Ja. Oh. Ooh, that is nice. Hell yeah. Shout out to this man right here. Thanks, man.
Week, man.
You're the best. I'm so keen to take it for a drive.
Alright guys, while Stevie's on his road test, you need to convince him to get one of these. Here we have engine bay. Stevie needs one of these, and he also needs to get that put on, and he needs to get one of these as well. Here he is now. I'm very sad because my slowpoke sticker is coming off, but Stevie needs to get one too. Let's get a first reaction, eh? Ooh, looks good. No more Photoshop low. Oh. How is it, mate?
Feels good. Feels very nice.
No clunks or anything? All good?
There's like maybe tiniest little sound, but nothing like
Alright,
bad.
I'll take it for a...
Yeah, you go.
Ooh.
Yeah, come on, fast. Good.
Alright, have fun. Ooh.
My turn to see it rolling. Oh my gosh. She looks mint. Massive shout out to Simon, guys. This wouldn't be possible without him, so I like to support the boys. Go check out his Instagram. It's helped me with so many of my car mods, and I'm super happy with how today turned out. We did it in like, well, he did a lot of the work. I kind of just helped out and learned some stuff along the way. 10:40 now. I think we started around 8:40, 8:30, so 2 hours to install coils. All right, guys, we're all done. I'm gonna end the video here because we're gonna go get a drink and just cool off a bit because it's very humid today. But yeah, big shout out to this man right here. Hope you guys like how the car's looking. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Way down there, hit the post notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the new look of the Subi. Sorry for not posting for a while. You guys are the best, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!